Hi everyone, I want to show to you how to install an application. The proper way to install an application is first to go to the Google and search what do you want to install. So we try YouTube, and then so we can see. So first is you must be logged in your email address and click the create start and then YouTube. So open a window, so must be click and you click the create. So by the way, YouTube is